Let me be, let me. When you move like that, let me be, let me be.
Hi, so my name is Lily. I come from Clarity Keras under Land Engineer Berhad, and my expectation today for team building is to have a good quiet time, to bond with other departments, and maybe to get some sort of healing out of this.
Saya ni first time datang sini team building. Saya tak expect sangat apa-apa sebab ni first time kan. Tapi ini satu opportunity lah untuk kenal ramai member HQ.
So apa yang kami expect untuk team building ni supaya kami punya staff ni lebih bonding and work together easy lah in the future.
Hey everyone. Okay, so a big question I get all the time is why do we need team building? What's so important about team building? Well, you have to remember that tak kenal maka tak cinta. So you have to get to know who you're working with in order to have good communication with each other and good cooperation as well. So once you have that, the company will definitely bloom.
So sekarang ni kita dapat tengok yang semua peserta tengah mencari tiket sebagai clue untuk diorang punya checkpoint. Dan bila mereka dah sampai ke checkpoint tu, mereka akan lakukan few activities yang berbeza lah untuk uji diorang punya teamwork and so on.
Sekarang ni kita dah jumpa dah yang number tu CP5, tempat dah jumpa. Tapi sekarang kita nak cari trainer.
Trainer tu. Kan dah berapa CP berapa?
Baru CP5. First task tak settle lagi.
Alamak.
Dah berapa banyak clue dapat?
Satu saja.
Satu saja.
Kalau dapat lagi.
All the best, all the best.
So the objective of this amazing race is for the teams to work together. It's how you problem solve together. It's also recognizing that every member in your team will have their strengths and weaknesses. So some team members may be better suited to do certain tasks compared to others. And so they have to get to know each other and recognize their strengths and weaknesses so that they can be successful as a team.
Nak. I can dance. I can do anything for him.
You have it?
No, I don't have it. Alamak, tak ada. We dance for him. Chicken dance. We can dance for him. So sekarang dah berapa banyak? CP dah sekarang?
Dah satu baru.
Satu. Lagi berapa banyak?
Entah ada berapa Tengah dalam proses lagi dah.
So boleh menang ke tak team?
Boleh.
Boleh lah,
Ni
confirm,
permulaan biasa. Irus dah dulu.
Okay.
Dia akan menang kemudian
Penat tak?
Kalau cakap tak penat menipu dah. Sekarang ni memerlukan oksigen.
Dah berapa banyak ribu step pakai Apple Watch ni?
Kalau ikutkan hari ni dah double daripada biasa.
Berapa tu?
15.
15?
Yes.
10,000 step. Ayo.
10,000.
Oh my.
My sweat like hell.
Oh my.
Tadi saya punya team dapat 4 checkpoint yang sempat kita dapatkan lah. So kita punya experience so far memang best lah untuk yang kali ni punya team building.
Paling penat nak cari checkpoint je. Game tu okey lah, tapi nak cari checkpoint tu yang penat lah. Hari semua senang lah.
Teammate okey tak? Function tak?
Limit function gila. Kita orang complete 6 daripada 7.
Baik.
Biasa lah.
Okay, rating I kasih 10 out of 10. So this one, boss.
I go 10 for 10.
I rasa rating 10 over 10. Good job.
We give it 10.
Awesome.